Hi, Thierry here. Let me show you a bug or an issue I have with Google Sheets. Basically, I use a table, which is quite powerful, and I simply want to concatenate two columns in the table and use structured references. That means reference to the column by name and not with the cell number, which is not very flexible or robust. And if I use this, so look here, I built URL with just HTTP Amazon DE and then concatenate with the as-in column, the as-in number. And if I reference the column by this, then the link is taking not the value of the cell in the same column like Excel does, but it takes the whole column. And I don't know how to do this by just taking only the value of the same in the same row. So the only workaround I have found is basically to wrap this up with another function that understands that it's only one value, like the upper, for example, does not change anything. But if I do this, then the link is fine. And it takes only the value of the row and can resolve the concatenation. If you know a solution, please comment on the video how to do this in a clean way, like for example, like Excel with the it that works properly and only takes the value. Thanks.